The aim of modern maintenance management is to optimize processes, minimize energy costs, and detect problems early. It is for precisely this purpose that Sonotek developed the digital ultrasonic testing device SONAPHONE. Ultrasound is generated during a number of industrial processes, such as in the event of compressed air leakages. These ultrasound signals are not perceptible to humans, but can be made visible and audible thanks to the SONAPHONE. Background noise in loud industrial plants can be suppressed, and even the smallest leaks can be detected, even at large distances. Thanks to the comprehensive range of accessories, the SONAPHONE can help to resolve a wide range of maintenance problems. Simply connect the sensor, put on the headphones, start the device, and start testing. The powerful testing device is used in combination with an airborne sound sensor for the detection and evaluation of leaks in compressed air, gas, and vacuum systems, as well as for tightness tests. It can also be used to test electrical systems. With a combined structure-borne sound and temperature sensor, the state of machines and systems, such as rolling bearings, ball bearings, or steam traps, can also be established. Apps that have been specially designed for these applications provide the service engineer with support throughout the entire process, from planning to testing and right through to evaluation. Even new employees can quickly master the extremely comfortable handling and can perform test processes themselves after brief training. A quick look at the touchscreen clearly shows how powerful the SONAPHONE technology is. The spectrogram shows everything that is happening at the frequency range of between 20 and 100 kilohertz. This is essential for new applications, such as automatic loss evaluation for leaks, a real innovation made in Germany. Photos, comments, and voice menus are then added for each test point, and a report is easily created at the end of the testing process, as either a PDF, CSV, or zip. Alternatively, the data can be evaluated on the computer using the PC software. This saves time and ensures that reports can be compared. Service engineers of today need testing technology of tomorrow. SONAPHONE, the ultrasonic testing device for the maintenance of the future.